Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to add a customizable FAQ form and collect real questions from your audience, letting visitors ask directly and turning their questions into powerful FAQ content. Let's get started. Creating your FAQ form is quick and easy. Simply choose from professionally designed templates or ready-made patterns and launch your form in minutes. You can display your FAQ form wherever it works best, embed it directly into your content, or show it as a pop-up for maximum visibility. Customizing the form is simple. You can easily add, remove, or rearrange form fields to collect only the visitor details that matter most to you. Every field is fully customizable. Update labels, placeholders, and styles to make the form feel completely native to your website. You're always in control of your content. You can choose to publish submitted FAQs automatically or review them before they go live. With AJAX-powered submissions, users can send their questions instantly, no page reloads or delays. You can also redirect users after submission to a thank you page, a special offer, or any custom URL you choose. To improve the user experience even further, display instant success or error messages as soon as the form is submitted. You can also automate email notifications, instantly alerting admins and sending confirmation emails to users after each submission. To keep your FAQ list clean, enable Google reCAPTCHA with just one click to block spam before it reaches you. To learn more, watch the detailed video linked in the description. Once you're done customizing everything, click Publish. And that's it! This is how you can add a customizable FAQ form and collect real questions from your audience. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.